In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Webflow, a platform known for its dynamic and visual website building capabilities. Let's dive into a simple and straightforward walkthrough to get you up and running with a new page in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to head over to Webflow's main website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in webflow.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with a slew of Webflow's offerings, all aimed at helping you design a custom website with ease. With the Webflow homepage in front of you, the next step is to log into your account. In the upper right corner, you will find the Login button. Click on it, and it will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy, and if you've enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared for that extra step as well. Logging in will seamlessly transition you into the Webflow dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard, you'll see an overview of all your existing projects. The dashboard acts as the central hub for all your design activities within Webflow. Look for the project you want to work on. Clicking on your chosen project will open up the workspace, a canvas where all your web design ideas come to life. Once inside the project's workspace, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a variety of options crucial for page management and content creation. Among these, there is a section labeled Pages. Click on it to open the Page Management pane where you have the ability to view and organize all the pages associated with your project. To create a new page, locate the Create New Page button in the Page Management pane. Clicking on this will bring up a dialog box, prompting you to fill in details for your new page. Here, you can specify the page's name, set up its URL, and even select a parent page if your new creation is intended to be part of a larger site hierarchy. Once you've filled in these details, finalize the process by clicking Create. And just like that, your new page is ready for you to mold into whatever you envision for your site. That's it. You've successfully navigated through the Webflow platform and created a brand new page to expand your web presence. This is just the start of exploring the host of features that Webflow offers, allowing you to develop a visually appealing and highly functional website. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has helped you enhance your Webflow know-how.